Hello everyone, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show and also describe how we have removed our HMI alarm by connecting the dold relay unit. Our crusher unit of the urea plant was not functioning properly. There was alarm and alarm was not removing, and for this it was not possible to run the crusher unit. There always alarm exists which was not removed, and at the same time it was not possible to convert the control system from manual mode to external mode by changing its selector switch. In previous there was roller jam problem, so for this at first we removed our crusher door unit, and at the same time we checked the roller unit is jam or not. We found that the roller unit is free, so we are sure that the problem creates for another reason. So for this we checked our selector switch unit and as well as our PLC connection cables, that means analog input output connector, and we tightened all the cables and found that everything is okay, that means the connection cable is okay. On the other hand, we checked by connecting the laptop with the PLC CPU, and from there we checked that the input output card and also another cards are functioning properly. After that we tried to find out the exact problem for this alarm. Also it is noted that when we completed one kinds of works, then we restart our panel and tried to see the alarm exists or not. Every time we found that the alarm exists and it is not removed, so again we tried to find out the exact problem. In the control panel also we found that one of the cable of the emergency push switch is likely broken. So we opened this cable and then after cleaning again tightened the cable with its proper connection, and after connecting this we restart the panel and also found that problem is not removed. So again try to find out the exact reason. In this way to find out the problem, we saw that there is a urea layer on the dold relay, and we opened this urea layer and found that two cables which is likely broken. Then we opened these two cables and after cleaning it is likely connected with its proper connecting position, and to the dold relay another cables which was not too much cleaned. We also opened these cables and cleaned, then fitted in its position.
একটা করে পেঁচাই, একটা দিয়ে তার উপরে আরেকটা দাও। উপরে আরেকটা। হ্যাঁ, দাও।
When these connection are completely okay, and then we restarted our panel, and from the HMI panel we found that at this position the alarm is removed, and after that it is possible to change its position from manual to external. When everything is okay, we started the crusher unit from our control room and saw that everything is properly working, and we also observed the PLC lighting LED and also the dold relay signal, and found that everything is working properly. In this way we solved our problem. Thanks for watching this video.